Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 June 2018, 13 of hour, 09 of minute and 50 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is it good to sleep with humidifier? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is it good to sleep with humidifier. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is it good to sleep with humidifier. Even if you don't have a cold, it's worse when you do. Winter air can dry out your sinuses, lowering your resistance to bacteria and viruses. Sleep with a humidifier and wake up with a more comfortable nose and throat. Faster healing times. A humidifier will shorten your suffering. Last update Jan 8, 2015. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.